scared money doesn't make money? Want to buy Bitcoin in under 5 minutes right from your phone? Let's go. First things first, you need an app. Coinbase is the go-to for beginners. It's user-friendly and offers a $10 Bitcoin bonus for signing up. They also offer bonuses for specific crypto, so you can already start making profit just by signing up. Robinhood, on the other hand, offers commission-free trades, but you can't withdraw your Bitcoin. Choose wisely. Next, sign up. It's super quick. Just enter your email, create a strong password, and boom, you're in. Some apps might ask for ID verification, snap a pic of your driver's license, and you're golden. Now let's talk money. Linking your bank account is a breeze. Most apps will have a link bank option. Click it, log into your online banking, and you're set. Some even let you use PayPal. Time to shop. Add Bitcoin to your cart and hit buy. Coinbase has a one-click buy for quick purchases. Robinhood lets you set market orders for precise buying. Pick what suits you. Before we wrap up, get this. A teenager invested $1,000 in Bitcoin back in 2011 and cashed out with $4 million in 2017. Mind-blowing, right? So don't forget to activate two-factor authentication to keep your potential millions safe. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Stay tuned.